Introducing the most significant orthotic therapy breakthrough in years, the Cluffy Wedge. The patented Cluffy Wedge will turn your ordinary orthotic into an extraordinary device capable of controlling the foot like never before. The foot functions essentially two ways. At heel contact, the foot becomes a mobile adapter to the terrain and a shock absorber that absorbs the ground reactive forces of heel strike. As the foot is planted on the ground, the muscles in the arch slow down further pronation or shock absorption and prepare the foot for propulsion. This can also be achieved by proper support of the medial arch. When the foot propels the body forward, it is best for the foot to become a stable platform. This is achieved by movement of the big toe upward. As the big toe moves upward and the first metatarsal head moves downward, the foot becomes a rigid lever to propel the body forward. This effect is known as the windlass mechanism. Most people have a condition where the motion of the big toe joint is limited, not allowing the foot to stabilize as the foot propels forward. This means that the foot is unstable going into propulsion. This is an inefficient method of walking and requires stabilization from the leg muscles in an attempt to stabilize the foot structure. This can lead to a considerable amount of discomfort and fatigue to walk in this manner. In addition, as the ball of the foot unloads, the motion of the big toe going upward can cause a whiplash effect by putting sudden tension through the plantar fascia. This leads to inflammation at the origin of the fascia in the calcaneal region. Abnormal forefoot loading can occur as the first metatarsal plantar flexes into the ground too late in the propulsive phase of gait. By simply preloading the big toe upward before loading the foot, any limitation of motion can be overcome and normal stabilization of the foot can be achieved. This also allows the first metatarsal to become more weight-bearing and reverses any forefoot supination which potentiates rear foot pronation. This also allows the plantar fascia to tighten gradually and reduces the whiplash effect of sudden tensioning of the plantar fascia. Dorsiflexion of the big toe places the foot in its neutral position. The Cluffy Wedge is the only orthotic or footwear modification which works into propulsion when the orthotic itself is no longer having an effect on foot function. It is important for the first metatarsal to make good ground contact with the floor for rear foot supination to occur. If this is delayed, as postulated with other methods of improving first MTPJ motion, normal timing of resupination may be delayed. The Cluffy Wedge is a purely physiologic method of controlling decreased motion of the first MTPJ and enhancing outcomes for footwear, insoles, and orthotics. Take your clients to a higher level of normal foot function and comfort with the Cluffy Wedge.